Imagine this, waking up one day without checking your bank balance because you don't have to. No more sleepless nights, no more paycheck to paycheck living. You're finally free, financially free. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. It's not. This could be your reality starting today if you're ready to take control. But here's the scary truth. Most people never get there. They're stuck, not because they lack potential, but because they never learn how to play the game of money. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to go from financially stuck to financially unstoppable. Ready? Step one is simple but not easy. Save like your future depends on it, because it does. Think of saving as the foundation of your financial house. No foundation? The house crumbles. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. And if that feels impossible, start smaller. Even 5 is better than nothing. Now, you might be thinking, why bother saving when inflation is eating my money alive? Fair question. And here's the answer. Saving isn't about getting rich. It's about building a safety net. Emergency fund first. Then you can move on to the fun stuff, like investing. Once you've saved, it's time to grow. This is where most beginners freeze up. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, where do you even start? Here's the secret. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to invest like a pro. Start simple. Low-cost index funds. They track the market and require zero effort from you. It's like putting your money on autopilot. And trust me, this plane's heading straight for wealth. Unless you prefer day trading, in which case, good luck. It's like betting on which way a squirrel will run. Fun, but risky. Final step, never rely on one income stream. Wealthy people don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Whether it's a side hustle, real estate, or dividends from investments, diversify where your cash flows from. Think about it. What would happen if your only income source disappeared tomorrow? Scary, right? So here's your challenge for 2025. Start saving today. Invest this month. And by the end of this year, set up a second income stream. Remember, financial freedom isn't a destination. It's a journey. And the best part? Every step you take brings you closer to a life where money works for you, not the other way around. So, what's your first move? Don't wait for someday. Take control now. Like this video if you're ready to change your financial future. Subscribe for more strategies to build your wealth in 2025 and beyond. Let's make this your year of financial freedom.